So today's day trip is like I try to get away to the mosque. There's one nice mosque I saw from the car, and now let's see if we find something cool there or if it just looks cool from the outside. Somehow I'm super unmotivated the last days. Since I'm here, actually, I don't know, I don't get the feeling or the flow from the country to discover Muscat and surroundings. I don't know, but soon I will leave, maybe a few more days. It's a good time to do like home workouts, YouTube videos, work a bit for the crypto project. So yeah, it's called me time. And I already found the mosque. It's over there. You see this thing behind? Let's see how we walk there. I don't know. What I still don't get is the part with the pedestrian way. I don't know if this is, I mean, I know this is for water, but where's the pedestrian way? Over there, outside the street, here in the river thing. I don't know. I will walk inside the thing. Here the pedestrian way starts. I don't know why it starts in the nowhere. And these hoses, see there, this is just for the water, because they have no proper system under the streets. And they have, if they have rain, they have pretty hard rain, as I understood. So yeah, let's see if we get some rain. And again, I don't get it. Pedestrian way? And what the fuck is that? Just end the pedestrian way in the middle of a, I don't know, highway or whatever we are. Oh no. Yeah, okay, I will walk here, fuck it. And what's funny, what I realized, you see in every house the numbers, or here rent. There's no house where you don't see any like rental advertisement. My friend told me they tried to do the Omanization, which is actually to get all the experts they took in the past, like from other countries, Europe, etc., in the country to work for them, to replace them by Omanis. I mean, yeah, people changed, the education level changed, a lot of people from Oman itself studied stuff which wasn't like that in the past. But yeah, I don't know. Looks like it's not working that good since you have to rent everything. And I don't know if this is even a good idea, but anyway, I'm just a stupid traveler who has no clue. But what they do, they take a lot of care for their plants. You see, it's actually beautiful here. Now let's see where the path is leading to. It's a nice name for a chicken burger. Chicken in a bun. Nice. Small impression of the houses of Oman, the style. Looks like in Arabic countries. I mean, this looks a bit fancy. This looks really fancy. This looks nice. Oman Association for Persons with Disabilities. Okay. Wow. This house looks fancy. Holy moly. Modern. Old school. Also old school. Really nice. So actually what I realized since I'm here in these Gulf countries like Saudi, Qatar, United Emirates, and here in Oman, it makes actually no difference if we're gonna go for economic cars in Europe or like for electric vehicles. Here they buy all the American muscle cars or the big trucks and big jeeps which eat like, I don't know, 12-15 liters per 100 kilometers, and they don't drive in an economic way. So I don't know what's the sense behind like put taxes on people in Europe who buy like big cars, and here it's like fuck it, why not? Here you see how the shops look like. Barber shop, laundry, car shop, furniture, everything small, let's say it like that, and tons of different ones. But yeah, the most I saw barber shops and laundries. Like yesterday we were walking for like maybe half hour, and in this half hour I saw 12 different laundry shops. I don't know what they do laundry for. Another laundry. So we are getting nearer to the mosque. Yay! The way to the mosque looks already pretty green. I don't know if it's the way to the mosque, but the mosque is there, so let's see. So I think this is the entry to the mosque. It looks already like it, or at least the area of the mosque. But what we see, like everywhere, religion has its place and its money and its property. Look at that. So the mosque is pretty big, to be honest. Now let's see. So I changed the t-shirt and the trousers have to be under the knees. So let's see what they say. Okay, so the trouser under the knees is too less. It has to be covered to the floor. But still, and at 4 it's closed, so yes, maybe I come tomorrow. I'm not in the mood, but let's see. Here, have a look. But still I give you a round tour around this nice building, since I cannot get in and I'm not interested to come tomorrow, I think. So here how it looks from the front. Yeah, I think I can get in here on the back side, and then maybe the guard will catch me again. I forgot to film all the laundries, but here's the next one. And the barber shop. And another barber shop. Parfum, cold, next laundry. Wow, nice. Another barber shop. Another super fast laundry. I don't know what they are doing with these shops. Two options. They need a lot of laundry shops, these Oman people, because for their nice white dresses, or their dresses in all colors, or they laundry something else. And there's one more. Laundry dry cleaning. Wow.
That's right.
What's the name of the market? Supermarket market, wherever we are here. So we got here the fish market. Then this is the boat of the Sultan. Behind this is Aida, the typical Omani boats, military boat, and the coast. And the sea. And this. He cannot talk. Say hello.
Hallo, mein Freunde.
Hey, in English, man. Now we're going to the fish market. Not fish market, general market. Wow, it smells like fish. Wow. So one Omer is 2.5 euro. Just that you know, that you have a feeling for the prices. Okay. 1.5, not cheap, nope. Potatoes, nope, not cheap. I don't know. Spices, fruits, watermelon, more fruits. You want a fruit juice?
No, I just wanna see what is inside because it's not written.
4 euro. Habibi, Habibi, Habibi. That's it? That's the Muscat Opera. Yes, that's it. There's a club, there's a shop, restaurant, and a parking house. And the club should be really nice, my friend said, and during the weekend. So yeah.